All right, perfect. Man, I wish I got you with the neck already before. That's all good. We're gonna get this. Let me attach this to this guy here. All right, let's see what your upper back looks like. Shoulder drop. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, he took a breath. Breathe out. That's the one. Wow. That's good. Take another deep breath. Breathe out. That's one. Good. Perfect. Good. Now, I want to show you a little magic trick here. Okay. This one, maybe you can be from this side. Now, you can see his legs. You feel that tension right there. Mm-hmm. So his leg only goes up about 3-4 inches right there. Now, if I do a hip manipulation, I'm gonna go one at the hip, actually two at the hip because it's bad it'll feel, and then third one at the pelvis. And look at this. What? That's huge, bro. Wow. Okay, do the same thing here. So look at the knee. That's it. It's locked right there. What's up? Come on in, Doc. Oh, more? This pages? Okay, just put it right there. Fine. One more here. Bend this knee. I mean, that's obvious, right? Alright, perfect. Now, you're going to come right around here for me. Face me on this side. Good. Alright, perfect. Yep. Put it right here, put it right here. Alright, let's attach this to your back. Bend this knee. Good. Here and here. Here and here. Okay. Nice. Alright, turn the other way. Okay. There we go. Stay right there, it's okay. From right there, it's good. So you just see me right here. Good. Straight, straight, straight. There we go, that should be good. Good, let's do it one more time. Nice, you felt that one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, hold up. Let me take this. Okay, let's go on your back, facing up. Yeah, let's see if there's anything else in your neck. So we got most of it already. Come really close for the neck, actually. Come really close. Right there is good, yeah. Right here is locked. Oh my god, let me take the microphone this side here. So he's gonna feel a big pop on this one. It's locked. That's it. Oh, you can see it in his face, bro. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Right there. Nice. Perfect. Good. Now come on up. Turn to the right. Perfect. Yep, just like that. Now put both hands behind your neck. We got 1 and 2. Mm-hmm. That's perfect. And stretch. That's it. Woo. Yo, let's go back against the wall.
Alright.
Keep it. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. That's all good. Alright. Tell everybody how you feel right now.
Probably good.
Yeah? Just chin in. Okay. Listen, you're on video. You gotta be more dramatic than that. I feel amazing. Oh my god.
I can walk again.
I can walk again. I can see again. My eyes are working. Alright, perfect. That's exactly it. Good. Done. Appreciate it.